Welcome to another Wassenger Talk. Today we're going to be diving into how this new kind of AI, AI agents. And we've got this recent study that's actually pinpointing 5 key areas where these intelligent systems are making waves. And so our goal today is to unpack those, give you a clear look at how you could potentially harness this technology to transform your work.
It's super interesting because we're no longer just talking about AI that responds to a direct command.
Right.
This study emphasizes the autonomous nature of AI agents. Think of it as a shift from like a helpful calculator to a proactive assistant that can identify problems and come up with solutions on its own.
I like that analogy. So the first area that this study highlights is personalized assistance for content creation.
Yes.
What does an AI agent look like in this role?
Imagine an AI agent acting as your always-on research partner. It can scan the web for trends relevant to your niche and analyze what's working for others in your field, and even spot content gaps that you could fill.
Wow, so it does all the heavy lifting.
It's not just about information gathering. It can also jumpstart the creation process, like drafting initial outlines, suggesting angles, and even adapting your existing content for different platforms.
So potentially saying goodbye to that dreaded blank page.
Potentially, yes. The study shared a great example of a content creator using a platform called NHN. AHN.
Okay.
It's a digital tool that lets different online services talk to each other and automate tasks.
Oh, so kind of like if this, then that, but more?
Yeah, you could think of it that way.
Okay.
So they integrated an AI agent into their workflow using this platform. And this agent handled everything from initial trend research and idea generation to drafting blog posts and scheduling social media promotion at optimal times. A significant chunk of time was freed up from those tasks.
Like how much are we talking?
Like 60 to 70%.
That's huge.
Yeah.
So the creator could focus on the strategic and creative aspects.
Exactly.
That only they could handle.
Right.
I like that a lot. Okay, so what's the next way that AI agents are making an impact?
The second key application is in advanced chatbots for customer service.
Okay, I've encountered chatbots before.
Yeah.
And the experience can be hit or miss.
Absolutely.
But when you say advanced, what makes these so different?
The core difference is their ability to operate more independently.
Okay.
And handle more complex issues without human intervention.
Got it.
They can access and update customer records, process refunds, and even troubleshoot technical issues by drawing on knowledge bases and past interactions.
So they're getting smarter.
Yes.
Yeah.
And they can offer much more personalized support
So
based on individual customer histories and preferences.
So it's not just the same templated answer.
No, not at all.
For everybody.
Much smoother and efficient interactions for your audience.
That's a big step up in providing a positive experience.
It really is. The study gave an example of a software company that was using an AI agent for technical support.
Yeah.
This agent could access technical documentation and customer history to diagnose problems and provide solutions in real time.
Wow.
This led to a significant drop in support tickets needing human attention.
So less work for the humans.
Exactly, and a notable increase in customer satisfaction.
Makes sense.
Faster, more accurate resolutions.
Oh, they're probably happy about that.
Yeah, they are. The study even pointed to operational cost reductions of up to 40% for companies that are implementing these systems effectively.
So we're seeing time savings in content creation, a boost in customer service efficiency. What's the third area?
Information extraction and analysis.
Information extraction and analysis.
This is about truly understanding your audience and the broader market landscape. And AI agents are incredibly adept at sifting through massive amounts of data to deliver those actionable insights.
So what kind of data are we talking about here?
Think about all those brand mentions and sentiment expressed across social media platforms. AI agents can monitor these streams in real time, analyze the overall sentiment, and categorize feedback by specific topics.
So you can essentially get a pulse on what's resonating.
Precisely. The study shared an example of a marketing team that used an AI agent to track public perception immediately after launching a new campaign.
So they could see how people were feeling about it.
Exactly. The agent generated daily reports with key insights and even flagged potential issues in real time.
So they could be reactive to any issue.
Yeah, allowing the team to make swift adjustments and respond more effectively to audience feedback.
That's really valuable.
It is.
This is the fourth way.
Workflow automation.
Workflow automation.
As a content creator, you likely juggle multiple tools and platforms,
Yeah.
content management systems, social media schedulers, email marketing services, analytics dashboard. AI agents can be integrated into these complex workflows. to automate routine tasks and create seamless connections between different systems.
So it's like having a conductor, making all these different tools work together.
Platforms like NAN allow you to implement AI agents to orchestrate these intricate workflows.
Okay.
For instance, when you publish a new piece of content, an AI agent could automatically adapt the formatting for various social media platforms, schedule the posts for optimal times, send personalized newsletters to specific segments of your audience, and then track the resulting performance data to generate comprehensive reports.
It would save so much time.
It would.
So that level of streamlined automation could really free up mental energy as well.
Absolutely.
And what's the final application?
The fifth area is experience personalization systems.
Experience personalization systems.
This is about leveraging AI agents to create unique and tailored experiences for each individual within your audience.
How does that actually play out in the content that you create?
These agents can dynamically segment your audience in real time based on their behaviors, preferences, and past interactions with your content. They can then tailor the content each individual sees based on their specific profile.
Okay.
Think about a creator who offers online courses.
Okay.
An AI agent could analyze a student's learning style, their progress through the material, areas where they might be struggling, and then automatically suggest additional resources, adjust the pace of the lessons, or even modify the learning sequence.
So it's like a tutor almost.
Yeah, you could think of it that way. The learning experience becomes custom built for each student.
It's really striking to see how AI agents are evolving. From simple automation tools to these intelligent systems that can understand and interact with both the content creation process and the audience.
What's particularly noteworthy is that platforms like NAN are making these AI agent capabilities more accessible than ever before, even if you don't have extensive coding knowledge.
I was going to ask about that.
These low-code platforms democratize access to these advanced tools, allowing a wider range of content creators to implement them in their workflows.
So as we wrap up this Wassenger talk, it's clear that AI agents are opening up some truly exciting possibilities for content creators. From automating those time-consuming tasks to gaining a deeper understanding of your audience and even tailoring their experience. These intelligent systems are rapidly evolving. The study that we've explored today really underscores that. As we move further into 2025, understanding and strategically implementing AI agents could be a key differentiator for your work.
Absolutely.
It leaves us with a fascinating question. What's one area of your content creation workflow where you see an AI agent having the biggest impact? Thanks for joining us for this Wassenger Talk.